So most of them are big. So big dogs, and
Yes.
they need to be able to take care of big dogs. Um, they are seniors. So as I mentioned earlier, posibleng meron na sila mga medical issues that they need to watch out for. We want to make sure that our dogs, kahit na na-adapt na sila, regularly go through medical checkups para healthy sila.
So,
Siyempre, when you first put or take a dog and put the dog in your household, magkakaroon ng adjustment period. The adopter just needs to be prepared that there may be instances where parang matamblay or hindi kumakain. It's just normal for the first few days.
Okay.
Kasi mag-a-adjust pa yung dog, ano.
Sige.
Behaviorally, posibleng when they first get to the house, medyo mahihain pa yan. But, if they are patient, then they'll see the dog really blossom. Hindi naman nagkaroon ng difficulty. No? So what happened with one of our dogs before, sobrang mahihain, right? So nung na-adopt siya, the new owners really wanted him to be more, lively, active. So, ini-encourage nila ting nagbabark yung dog kasi akala nila, siya active, friendly. But, hindi kasi always a good sign na tahol ng tahol yung aso. Yung naging medyo siya, overprotective. So, nagkaroon ng instance na nagkaroon ng visitor sa bahay, medyo naging, hindi naman sobrang aggressive. But nagkaroon na issue with that dog and their visitor.
Sige po.
We have partners na behavior specialists. So,
okay.
minsan, pag makikita namin yung issue early on, meaning before bringing the dog home, we can tap our partners para matulungan sila. And we've done that before. Ngayon, kung na-adapt na tsaka nagkaroon ng ganong issue, if they let us know, then we can help. Pero sometimes, they won't let us know.